Hi everyone, Lychee here, and it is February, and that means your birthstone, if you were born in February, your birthstone is amethyst. It's a very pretty purple color. It can come in like varying shades, but the most famous one is it's a deep purple. And so in inspiration, because I already did garnet for January, because that's January's birthstone, in inspiration I did a makeup tutorial based on the color of amethyst. I hope I'm saying it right. Amethyst. There we go. Amethyst. And so it's pretty simple. It's just a little intense. And you can keep it very simple if you don't like this kind of intensity. So please keep watching to see how I did this. To have your primer and foundation ready as you want it. For the eyebrows, I'm going to actually be using a neutral light color for under the brow bone. Okay, now for the whole reason why we're doing this, we're going to put a purple on our eyelids. And it's going to be a light purple. Put it right there on the center. Make sure you have the inner eye corner, left nude, or if you want to, you can actually put like a white there to make it a little more sparkly. And let's see. And then I'm going to have a deeper color, deeper purple color here, like an upside down U. Don't worry, I'm going to fix that. Look, I have hooded eyelids. I can fix that. I know it looks horrible, like I got socked in the eye, but after we blend it out, it won't look so bad. Now we're going to take like a darker color, shimmery black. Okay, I'm just tapping on the very tip of my brush and then just putting it there and then just very lightly blending it out. And I'm just going to keep it there in the inner corner too. So that you can see the other translucent, the other purple shade. Take that same purple color that you had, if you think it's too dark, take that same purple color that you had and just go over it again to bring out more of the purple color. Now I'm going to take a bottom brush, a flat brush, blend it out a little bit more. I'm going to take that light purple color and I'm going to put it on the bottom. And I'm going to put it on the bottom of my eyelids. Take that dark purple and just put it there on the bottom, on the corners. Alright, let's conceal. I'm taking this itty bitty little beauty blender and I'm taking some sheer cover type concealer. I know. But for the dark side, I'm going to go under here because with this little beauty blender, what I like about this beauty blender is you can get in itty bitty little corners. Because obviously I have fallout and I don't want to look like I got sucked in the eye too bad. Brighten it up with some lightness, with a light color, putting it here. And let me show you a neat trick. If you want to make your lips look bigger, or at least your bottom lip, you take a darker concealer and you go under your lip. It'll make you look like you have a bigger bottom lip. And I'm just taking a neutral powder, filling it up, putting it under my eyes first, and setting the concealer and the foundation. Next up, blush. And I'm just using my old Revlon one, Berry Rich. Which reminds me, I need to get more blush. I'm going to take a L'Oreal dip brush. And I'm not going to put like a wing because I already have intense eyeshadow. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, first line your eyes. Kind of like that. And then bring it to the corners. Thicker though. And I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna wing it. I'm just gonna bring it up. Like, I'm gonna trace a line. I'm just gonna bring it up like this, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna connect it, if that makes sense. Here, let me try to show you. Like, connect it where that little line is. Like that. I'm going to take a highlighter, and this was actually given to me by a very awesome classmate, and because it's purple, I'm going to take this one right here, this shimmery one right here, and I'm taking a fan brush. It's not a fancy fan brush, it's just by e.l.f., so you know, who cares about fancy brushes. And then I'm going to take it on my cheekbones right above the blush. See? And you can intensify it however much you want. Just don't go crazy with it, because then you'll look like a disco ball. Now you're going to curl your lashes. And put on mascara. We're going to top it off with a lip gloss, and this is from Wet n Wild, and I know it looks pretty intense, especially for my eyes, but actually one coat will actually apply as a nude. Okay, if you just, it smells like birthday cake. This really does smell good though. See, if you just put it on very lightly, it will be like a semi-nude color. There we go, semi-nude. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this, and stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!